XJTAG's latest release introduces two major updates, delivering superior test controller protection with enhanced signal integrity and faster testing. With XJTAG, you can test smarter, faster, and more reliably than ever before. The new XJ-Link PF40 takes protection to the next level. Hardened against shorts with resilience up to plus or minus 30 volts on all pins and with a durable aluminum case for added physical protection, the XJ-Link PF40 is ideally built for both development and production. The XJ-Link PF40 enables you to expand your test coverage like never before. With support for up to 8 JTAG chains running simultaneously at different clock speeds, its 40 multi-purpose I/O pins can be configured to drive these chains or link to extra test points, providing better test coverage for your projects. But the innovation doesn't stop with the XJ-Link PF40. XJTAG version 4.1 introduces powerful new features. You can now manage devices from multiple suppliers or adapt to changes during production with XJTAG's new multi-sourcing system. This innovative feature allows your tests to seamlessly accept any combination of valid parts from the device options that you have defined for your board and can report which specific components have been used. When you have a circuit without any JTAG devices, XJTAG 4.1 now allows testing through board connections, such as test points and connectors. Building on the theme of non-JTAG testing, XJTAG 4.1 brings enhanced SWD support. It now handles protocol errors and allows failed scans to be retried, enabling pushed verify operations to be performed. Finally, JTAG chain setup is now even easier with the automatic configuration of the reset pin. This enhancement simplifies the process, saving you time. These latest updates from XJTAG are designed to make your testing more flexible, reliable, and easier to configure, so you can focus on developing your products and spend less time on testing.